Alright, welcome back class. Today we're going to be doing a review video on Chinese economics, chapter 17 from our textbook. We're going to start off with our agriculture section. One of the main goods that China produced was rice. As we know, that was primarily produced in the southern part of China where it was warmer, but there was also an abundance of water where the rice could then grow and be produced multiple times a year, not just for one crop. One of the major tools was the harrow, farm tool used to break up and even out plowed land. So these are similar to like the modern day hoe. The chain pump, I can't emphasize enough how important that was. Pump with containers attached to a loop of chain to lift water and carry it where it is wanted. The pump would have empty buckets that would cycle around, pick up water from the rice paddies to prevent them from flooding, and then dumped it out on a flat plain. Next, we transition over to trade and commerce. So we emphasize two main points under trade and commerce. Buying goods that you need, such as rice, corn, wheat, millet, water, basic food items, clothing, shelter, but also buying what you need. So that could be silk, porcelain, any other type of kind of luxury good. We hit on another vocab word, a barge, long boat with a flat bottom. And at the bottom, paper currency, which the Chinese invented. Paper currency is only good as its widely accepted value. They transitioned to paper currency because it became tough to carry around copper and bronze coins in their pocket. So that is the main reason why they transitioned to the paper currency. And again, emphasizing what you want and what you need kind of drives the economy. The supply and demand. Got to have people producing the goods, but also people who are willing to pay for them. Urbanization, we have the growing of cities, and the second point here, more food, bigger population, is extremely important because you need to have the proper resources to support a growing and thriving population. Lastly, we see these 3 points down bottom: stores, attractions, and most importantly, jobs. In order for money to keep flowing in the economy, people need to be paid for their services. So if there are jobs available, people are able to work and then buy, again, the things they need and the things that they want. Lastly, things kind of come full circle here. When we look at all three, how they tie into each other, oftentimes the surpluses from agriculture, so our rice, wheat, millet grown, would then be traded at market, where people would then have some extra money. The markets were generally located in bigger towns. As more people flocked to get the goods they needed, cities grew. And that's what these points touch on here. The students did a great job really taking control of the class and teaching one another. So this is just kind of an example of how urbanization, agriculture, and trade, while they're important individually, it's important to understand how they tie in all together, because that gives us a full picture of kind of the Chinese economy during the Song Dynasty. We're going to make our way back. Again, we're passing what you want and what you need, kind of driving Chinese economics, with this theory of supply and demand. Just making our way down. Paper money again, extremely important even in modern day. Its value has to be accepted, and it often fluctuates how much the dollar or the pound or the yen is worth. Up top, this is just kind of an MCAS type quote. So the harrow has made my day so much easier. The question I would ask you is, who would say this quote? And you guys would respond, a farmer, because we said harrow helps in the fields. Same thing if it was a chain pump or any other type of farm material. But that's just an example of a quote that might be used. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care.